This 2021 Kia K5 is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Kia is powered by EOROS, front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo-regular unleaded i4, 1.6 L98 engine, and has 80,748 miles. Drive in style. Get this sleek 2021 Kia K5 performance, comfort, and value combined. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.